Today I'm coming at you with a get ready with me video. I'm just gonna be doing my makeup. I don't really feel like inspired. One of my Q&As, like my first Q&A maybe, I was wearing a look that someone requested, or a few people requested I do a tutorial. So I think that that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to use this little guy mainly, which is the Plum quad from Kat Von D. Looks like that. It's got like a gray smoky purple, a dark aubergine, a really pale pink, and then like this kind of peachy pink thing. I'm sure you've got stuff in your collection that you could use. I guess I'm just gonna go on and get started. I'm gonna put some primer potion on. So I'm going to take that really pale pink color underneath the brow. So tonight is, it's like a goth night, but they're not calling it that. I feel like people are scared to call it goth night, like it's like the kith of that. I'm tired. So they're not calling it that, and I feel like people feel like that's kind of passe. I don't know. There must be a reason that they're not calling it goth night. I feel like some people think that it's the kiss of death and no one will come out, or maybe they just want it to be more inclusive. I don't know. But going to this thing tonight, and it should be lots of fun. There's going to be like a market as well as, you know, dancing and sort of clubbing. So on a floofy fluffy brush, I'm going to be taking the medium shade. And I'm just starting with my eyes because normally that's what I do. I shouldn't do it, but it's just easier for the drop down. I just don't want to have to freaking worry about it. I don't want to have to worry about it. Not today, Satan. I'm going to take a little bit of the peachier color and go over that a little bit. Then I'm going to take the pinky white one, taking that in the inner corner, a little bit onto the lid. This one. Do you guys ever do this where you're like really jazzed, and then in the last like 3 hours before you starting to get ready, it's like, oh God, I just want to stay here in my pajamas. I don't want to go out at all. I mean, am I the only person who is that lame? I'm going to take some of that sort of gray, plum, gray, lavender mid-tone one, sort of joining up this corner right here. On a dirty 217, I'm going to take the aubergine color, this little guy. There, here, where, which one? Which one? This one. It's going to deepen the crease. Wing it out a little bit here. Wing. On this push liner brush, I'm going to take the aubergine color along my lash line and just make sure that it's really well defined and connected to the outer corner. Just taking this liner brush and sort of just stamping it over really lightly. Okay, so I'm going to repeat all those things on this eye right now. So there's the other eye done. Sorry, I'm eating M&Ms. I also did the rest of my face and my eyebrows. I do have foundation, my flawless foundation routine video, which I will link up in the card area. I do have a brow routine, which I'll link up there as well. And those are a few years old, and I am going to be updating them. But they're relatively similar, but the products have changed. But if you want to see how I did that, go check out those videos. It's a pretty good idea. Let me have another M&M. Now I'm just going to do some winged eyeliner. It'll be pretty big, not insane, but I'm gonna do a nice elevated winged out liner, tapered in the inner corner and bigger toward the outer corner, and just wing that crap right out. Now I'm gonna take a little bit of Blackout from Urban Decay and just press over the top of that, just to make sure it's really matte, and I want it to be like a little softer on the edge. A little bit of mascara. So at this point, I'm gonna put on my kitty cat ears, light contour. I also have a video where I do this like sort of light contouring thing. And I'm going to go heavier. This is not the everyday contour. I'm going to do it a little heavier, but it's still the same principle, and I'm using the same brush, so like that video up here. Probably going to die if I keep eating M&Ms. Find what you love and let it kill you. M&Ms, yo. I'm going to use this, which is a very old mineralized skin finish. I got this when I worked for Mac in New York. And this is called Lightscapade. It's really beautiful, sort of like veined. The original, like this isn't the original Lightscapade. The original Lightscapade was way less gold than this, but whatevs. This is what we've got now. And I mean, this is really old too. This is from 2011. So the original was way older. And the one now, I think, at MAC doesn't look anything like this one. So I'm sorry I'm using this, but guys, it's the one I want to use. And you're just getting ready with me, so. And then my Alchemist palette is in my kit. And I don't have the, I want to use it. Don't have the energy to go get it. So not going to be doing that. I am, however, going to use this, which is Universal Mix. It's just sort of like a greeny, sparkly thing. Let me show you. See if I can show you. It's sort of got that green reflect. I don't know if it's coming up as green, but I really love it. So I'm going to use that on my inner corners. And I'm going to take a little bit of setting spray. If I can find it. Yep, found it. What do I need to do? I mean, I guess I need some false lashes. So I'm going to use these Iconics. And my eyes have been really irritating me today. So I'm going to cut them down like they're like this big right now, which fits my eye, but it sits like right here, and my eyes are very pointy because of astigmatism, so it kind of irritates my eye to have it on there for a long time. So I'm just going to trim it and do side wing lashes. And I'm really like in the I do not give an F mode about my hair. I'm going to do it and maybe like speed through it, and I'm probably going to wear it in the way that I normally do, which is up in that sort of like messy updo thing that I usually wear. And if you want to see how I do that, I do have a tutorial, and I will link it up here right now, and it will also be down in the description bar. So yeah, here we go. I'm gonna use this purple. Just like be super purple. Yeah, this is pretty black anyway. This is Ofra's Napa Valley Grapes. I guess that's why they named it that. This lipstick is really interesting. It's actually like a black base with purple shimmer. It's really nice. I really like it. But now I feel like, I don't know. I mean, I guess it's okay. How do you guys feel about it? Put it up. So that's pretty much how it's gonna look. It's gonna keep falling and I'm gonna keep readjusting it all night long. Like I always do. I do that. That's me and my hair. That's our relationship. Alright. Makeup's done, biatches. And now I'm going to put on my outfit. Because I'm not going to wear this. I'm going to wear something else. And I don't know what it is yet. So let me figure that out. I'll be right back. So I have this like furry jacket from, I think I got it at Kohl's. It's a Candies furry jacket that I got at Kohl's a million years ago. This necklace is one that I made from a key that I got at actually Bearded Lady Vintage. I'll leave their link down below. They're in Burbank, or they were the last time I lived in California. Then this is actually like a slip dress right here that I got from Express a couple of years ago. And then I'm wearing my CS 426 with hip ties from Orchard Corset. And then the dress just goes down. Like, I don't know if I could show you guys. How can I show you this? The dress just goes down here. And I'm wearing some nice thick leggings. And then this sort of can just button. It's missing a button, like right here, but I don't care. Who cares? Who has time for that caring nonsense? And obviously, like, this is too short for me, but everything's too short for me. I'm not really certain about like the buttons leading down into the busk, the pin busk here. But I really don't care. I just don't have the energy or time to care. I just want to go have fun and not really care what I look like anymore. Don't want to give an F anymore. But why? Why then do I? Why do I keep screwing with my hair? Just let it go. Just let it go. I'm probably going to take it down. I have no idea. Just keep hurting the ozone layer. So that is it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this Get Ready With Me. Let me know down in the comments below if you would like me to sort of vlog one of these events. Or maybe I'll just bring my camera with me to this event and vlog it. And if you want to see it, leave a comment and then I'll edit the footage together and make a vlog. But yeah, other than that, that's it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you are well, and I will see you all in my next video.